All right, here we are, boys. It's 642 out of 1,000 that got lit up. We got the A-team right here, getting the cleanest process going. Check out these boys. They ripping and gripping. Take you into the heart of the operation. What's up, boys? Hey. Looking forward to check out. Oh, Jared here. Jared is a professional.
Only cut 3 fingers off.
Rip, flip, and skip, snip, boom, pheasant, ready to eat. You gotta watch Cody though. Yeah. Cody likes them straight off right off the breast. Look at there. That's how you do it. Is that how you do it, Cody? What are you doing there? Just rip them up, snip the wings.
Our assembly line.
Pull it out, bam, just like that. Pheasant ready to eat. Look at Ty, bam, hooking it up. Right. We're at the cleaning station. This is Brian.
He's the grumpy old man of the group.
He's the ornery old veteran. He's the boss. Watch him just sling a basket. Yep, he just slung the basket out at him.
Yep.